Okay, so we got when the time of the spectacle came. Okay, what was the spectacle? Yeah, that Romulus is throwing a party. Why? To get some ladies, right? To snatch some women. Is it going to work? Yes. Maybe. And everyone or all were is it entering? Yeah, so it's like all were eager like towards the games, right? Then we got, what is this? Ablative absolute. Okay, so this is a PPP, right? So you're going to say with the noun having been given. So you're going to say with the signal having been given, the Romans began to snatch the virgins. Not looking good for Team Virgins, right? Okay? How do you think their parents are reacting? They're like, oh my word, give me my women back, right? Okay, so we got the parents, profugurant. Oh, the parents of the virgins. You're right. The parents of the virgins. Is it fleeing?
Like
The parents of the virgins fled. It's like to flee for help. Fled. Okay, and then this is like nominative PAP. Shouting. Now look at this. You got a shout. You got a verb of saying knowing, thinking, or doing. You have an accusative. You have an infinitive. So what do you think's going on here? Indirect statement, right? So shouting that. Yeah, that the Romans had violated their hospitality. Okay, that was a big deal. Okay? Like the relationship between host and guest was a big thing to the Romans, and obviously a big thing to the Sabines, right? Why? What do you think the expectation was? That they would treat them with the utmost respect, right? And now they're snatching their women. Okay? Bad. Okay. So we got neither, right? Neither the virgins having been snatched oh no, sorry, I guess it'd be, and the virgins having been snatched did not have, or were not having, either hope of, or I guess it'd be a better hope about themselves, or smaller, or I guess it'd be, or less anger, or smaller anger. Okay, so in other words, they're just kind of stuck in limbo, right? They couldn't see a better future for themselves, but at the same time, they couldn't be mad that they just got grabbed by these hot guys. Maybe. Okay. But Romulus himself, right, was going around and was I think it was showing, right? That's got an indirect statement, right? That it had been done because of the pride of the fathers of the virgin. So basically, like, if they just said, sure, we'll, give you some of our women, or we'll come into some sort of agreement here together, right? Instead of, we're hiding our women and you have to come forcibly snatch them from our tribe, then they wouldn't be in this situation. Okay? What does that say about Romulus's leadership style?
Well, he's like,
Very persistent.
He's persistent. I would agree with persistent.
yeah, because he's basically saying, like, it's your fault that I'm taking on this revenge.
Because you wouldn't agree, right?
Like, but that's not, like, he did
How do you
not
think?
have to do
Well, do you think he had the authority to do that?
I don't know. Maybe.
I mean, he's treating them like property, not like just as
He's treating them like what?
property.
Property, yeah. Yep. Okay, so we got, although you have been captured by force, he says, you will have all the laws of the Romans.